Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will show you the state design pattern in C#. This pattern helps us write cleaner and better organized code when an object has different behaviors based on its state. To explain, we'll use traffic light system as an example. Let's get started. The state design pattern is used when something in your code behaves differently depending on its current state. For example, a traffic light has three states: green, yellow, red. Instead of writing messy if-else statement to handle these states, the state pattern let us create separate classes for each state. This keeps the code simple and easy to manage. Now, let's write the code for traffic light system using the state pattern. First, we create an interface that every traffic light state will use. It has a method called handle to define what happens in that state. Next, we create class for each state: green, yellow, and red. Each class defines what happens when the traffic light is in that state. In the green state, the light says go and switches to yellow state. In the yellow state, it says slow down and switches to red state. In the red state, it says stop and switches back to green state. The traffic light class keeps track of the current state and lets it switch to the next one. Finally, we write the main method to test the traffic light. Let's run the program and see the output. The traffic lights keep switching state in a loop. To wrap up the state pattern is a great way to organize your code when an object behaves differently based on its state. In our traffic light example, each state had its own class, which made the code easy to read and update. The benefits of the state pattern are cleaner and simple code, easy to add new state, no long if, else, or switch statement. You can use this pattern for other examples too, like vending machines, media players, or game character state. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped you. See you in the next video.